Yeah. This is your daddy. I'm very sorry, mommy. Shit. MJ, your daddy. He called himself Killer, but he was lost. Shout out to my daughter, Valerie. This is what means so many shit to me. I messed up. Man, I'm stuck alone in this world. I'm stuck in my room. I'm crying so many times, girl. I said, listen to my voice. Just listen to my tears. I'm crying so many times when I'm stuck in this room. If I turn off the light, I know you won't be crying no more, cause you wouldn't be living with me. I'm stuck all solo. I said, baby girl, listen. I know what's wrong. I messed up and I'm gone. I'm stuck all alone. I said, girl, listen to me. I'm stuck really clear. Listen to my tears for so many hours and freaking seconds and minutes. And look at this, I'm lost in this second. I'm lost in this minute. Please, baby girl, just listen to my voices. Daddy will come home. But which one is home if baby girl's not home? I say, let me listen to your heartbeat one time. I wanna hear your voice and hold you in my hands one time. Let me just kiss you. I really freaking miss you. Every single shit I did, I know I messed up. I know I got stuck up in situation. I took my angers and my actions run me over. I'm stuck and I'm cold and I can't be over the situation when I'm stuck and I'm all alone. I say, hold me, listen to me, mija, tú eres mi vida, tú sabes every single shit I messed up I did. It was the problem was between me, you and mommy put me in the situation where I be thinking that jealousy occurred to every single shit that I did wrong, and I was messed up and I was gone. I stuck up and I was wrong, and every time I did it, I messed up and I was sorrow. Look at this, I'm alone though. Listen to me, baby. This is Daddy speaking. Daddy is here. This is Mario Jose. I'm speaking to you clearly. Look at this, Valerie. Tú eres mi hija, but no te llores, mami. Daddy's still here. He will never let you share any freaking tear. Mommy messed up. Make Daddy think wrong. Make Daddy think jealousy and negativity. Ain't no positivity going on when it's every argument. Stuck in situation. I know you cry when I be yelling at mommy for 24/7, a minute or two. Each every time she come home, and I messed up too. I'm very sorry, mija. Tú sabes yo te amo, but I'm stuck all alone in this microphone. I'm alone, baby. Listen to me clear. I messed up, I'm wrong, but I wanna hold you again and kiss you. Each every time when you're crying, mommy knows I hold you and walk around in the room and until you fall asleep too. Every time I make you laugh and make you cry, all the time when I was yelling at mommy when I make you cry. But mommy, you know what it is. It is what it is, and my life can't be busy. I'm right here stuck in situation. I can't do nothing right. I'm stuck and alone in this cold world tonight. I said, mami, tú sabes, yo te amo mucho. No me dejes en paz. You know how it is. I'm stuck. I said, this is for my baby girl. Daddy wanna hold you and sleep with you again and tell you he loves you. He will never let you go away. This for Valerie, man. Real life shit.